Hello everyone, welcome back to Line 24, the channel that educates you in 10 minutes or less. Today, I'm going to talk to you guys about Facebook. Nowadays, most of us are on social media, either Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, or any kind of Twitter, and so on. And today's to register for Facebook or Instagram, it's free. It's free. You could go anytime you want to register, and you will register. It's free. Everything that comes that is free, you know, you don't know exactly how you are paying for it, but the price we are paying for it, it's us. You are being sold because you want a free program to communicate. So here's how Facebook is selling your data, and it's using the data to really know you better than you know yourself. And today's topic, I'll be talking about Facebook and how it's selling your data. People, convenience comes with price. The price of you paying is your information and helping those company make money because of your free information. If you use Facebook, chances are Facebook know you better than you know yourself. I know most of you might be saying, well, look, Facebook doesn't know me. I hardly post anything on Facebook or hardly do anything on Facebook. But my question to you is, do you hit the like button? Do you share? Do you watch videos on Facebook? Or anything like that? Facebook is really learning about you. Each move you make, Facebook is learning about you. Facebook algorithm knows you before know what you like before you even know it. Have you ever like open your Facebook and you start browsing around or start looking around, and next thing you know you see like a video or a post or something that really interests you, and you start really watching it, or if you're watching like a video and you start watching it, and next thing you know you have watched like 20 videos or so, without even paying attention to it, and next thing you know you have really spent the time on there. What the algorithm is trying to do is trying to make you stay longer, watch more videos, and stay longer on Facebook. And that is helping Facebook really learn more about you and inquire more data about you. So, about you. So, the part of where people really are don't know is people are assuming Facebook is protecting their data because it has they have the right to do so. But Facebook that does not do that. Facebook sells the information. Well, they don't really call it sell. They just let other company have access to it, which in turn those company pay money to Facebook. So, have you ever gone online and you start looking around? Maybe you're looking for shoes or something like that, and you click on there and you're like, you know what, I don't need the shoes. And next thing you know, you see that same ad on your Facebook ad somewhere, right? So that itself is the algorithm trying to really get you to buy that shoes, and really trying to put the interest, the things you really like, on there. So for you to start seeing that shoes going down in value or a discount or something like that, and you really are interested to click on there, and then once you click on there, you're more likely to buy the shoes. So don't just take my word for it. Facebook itself have said, Facebook algorithm, they could just look at your profile and tell everything about you. They could tell what race you are, what you do, and what you like and what you don't like. Uh, if you are in relationship or if you are not, all kinds of stuff. They algorithm could really pick that about you. So a few years ago, some psychology decided to use the Facebook like to assess someone's personality. Based on the stuff you like, sport, celebrities, and so on. The method they used to do that was something called the five categories, which is really different. It's a model that is calculating your personality based on certain stuff. I could create another video explaining. It's too much to explain in one video. But The study itself was done, and there was 58,000 volunteers. As a result, the results were very unbelievable. What people personality were or stuff they like. The model was able to predict it 95% of the time if you're white or black, whether a man was gay or straight 88%, or the political party of a person 85% of the time. So the model even predict someone's relationship status. Remember, they were only using the like. They didn't even use anything else. They just look at your like, everything you click on as a like button, and next thing you know, they know everything close to you. Most people, they'll be impressed if I predict their relationship status, or if they're gay or straight, or if their relationship status, or if you drink beer, or if you drink any alcohol, or if you use drugs, all kinds of stuff. So, and the study, the way it really worked was, if you had more than like 150 likes on the computer itself was able to uh, predict your personality better than a family member. If you had like 300 or more likes, Facebook could be able to predict or know you better than your spouse does. You know, imagine all that power, man, in one company. That's why Facebook is making millions of dollars each year from advertisement by creating a macro targeting ads. These ads are targeted to you, your personality, or even the things you like. This is why when you buy something online, you start seeing it everywhere. You know, this is the power of the algorithm Facebook is using. And it's not just Facebook. Remember, this is all these companies. I'm just using this as a topic for Facebook, but it's not just Facebook. It's all these companies. Facebook could use this and to uh, do political stuff. Imagine if one day Mark Zuckerberg wake up and decide, you know what, I want to support this candidate and I want to do everything in my power to for this candidate to pass. Facebook could do that. They could start putting ads out there against the other candidate, and next thing you know, people are really start saying the other candidate is evil or something like that. Remember in 2000, if you remember in 2016 U.S. election, Donald Trump got people were starting criticizing him for using the algorithm to really putting those macro targeting ads to the people that really click on his stuff. So people who really like Donald Trump, they were really pushed with these small macro ads, pushing the evil of Hillary Clinton, saying she's evil and all kind of stuff. And those are the power of a macro. Even the British election, the past election, they use that the same algorithm. So these are the stuff that the power of algorithm could do. So imagine if one morning dictator, wake up and have this kind of power, they could be able to predict which youth are trying to start a movement and try to crash as soon as possible. And remember, some dictators already have this kind of power too, to where they could predict what's going on in his country or what people are really talking about. So that itself would, it's a power that the government should not be having, or any company like Facebook should not have over you. So, in my conclusion, I want to end with this. So just because something is free, it doesn't mean it's free. They probably are selling you. So if they tell you to sign up, it's free, and it probably means you are being the product they're selling. They're making money because of you. So I want to thank you for listening to the Line 24, where we try to educate you in 10 minutes or less. And we always appreciate you for watching. And if you like the video, please click the like or share button. And thank you again for listening.